this is the Rough Enough Small Portable Carrying Tool Bag. It is basically exactly what it says. It's a small portable tool bag, perfect for in-house use or keeping tools in your car or anywhere you need a small collection of tools at easy reach. As you can see, it has a very nice fabric exterior that is water resistant. It has this nice carrying handle for getting around. It also has this nice carabiner in case you need to clip it to something. That opens and closes relatively easy. And once on the inside, you'll see that it's a nice rugged interior fabric. It also has 2 more internal pockets for keeping loose items from jingling around inside. I've got one on the side, one here in the lid. And as for what it can actually hold quite a lot. I was very impressed. First, you can do organization by keeping, say, all of your screwdrivers up here in the top pocket, pliers, a wrench, another pair of pliers, measuring tape, another screwdriver, emergency extension cord, never know when you might need one of those, another set of lockjaw pliers, some trimmers, a wrench, and because you never know when you might need them, a bunch of bungee cords all together with another bungee cord. And this will be great for my house because now I can finally have most of my tools. So with that one, most of my tools put together in one convenient location.